Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Little children want to play. How are you? Are you okay? I am fine, and I hope you're also fine. It's a teacher annunciator. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. Wow, we're still talking about our home and the things that are found in our home. Who can remind me what did we talk about in the last lesson? Teacher, we talked about common things found in our home. Very good. Oscar, can you name for me some of these common things found in our home? Teacher, they are also divided into 3 groups. We have the furniture. What else, John? The tools. And lastly, the utensils. Now, that one brings me to assignment that I gave you people. Did you go home and find out what are the furnitures in your home? What are the tools in your home? And what are the utensils found in your home? Teacher, yes, we did. Very good. So, who can name for me some of the furnitures you found out in your home? Teacher, we have the sofa set, we have the table, we have the wall unit, the wardrobe, the cupboard. Very good. Some of the utensils found in your home? Teacher, we have the tea urn, we have the chafing dishes, we have the cups, the plates, fork, pan, jug, thermos. Wow. And what are some of the tools found in your home? Teacher, we found out we have the axe, we have the screwdriver, we have the hammer, we have the hoe, we have the rake. Very good. And now we want to talk about the second category of things found in our home. And you're saying things, another group, the second group of things found in our home, apart from the common things, we have the personal things. Personal items. Personal items. And if someone asks you, what are these things called the personal items? What are these things called the personal item? Who can tell us what are these things we call the personal item? Are they some just kind of things that are found in our homes? No, teacher. They have something special that makes them be called personal. You know, something to be called personal, it must be something private. So we are saying these are items we use every day. True or false? True. They are used every day. But what is their purpose? Their purpose is to maintain our body, stay healthy. But they have one rule that they follow. They are not shared. What are they? They cannot be shared. So we are saying items we use every day to stay healthy. These are items. So we are saying personal items are items we use every day to keep healthy. To keep healthy and cannot be shared. That is the rule about these items. And cannot be shared. They are used every day to keep healthy. They keep us healthy. They are used every day to stay clean, to stay healthy. But a rule about these things, they cannot be shared. And when someone enters this class and asks you, name for me some of these things that cannot be shared, and why don't we share them? We have forgotten. If shared, they can spread diseases. We are saying, if shared, if personal items are shared, what will happen? If shared, they can, what can they do? They can spread diseases. If these personal items are shared, we are saying they can spread diseases. And we are now saying examples are, give me an example of these personal items you know. Examples are, very good. Someone give me examples of these personal items we know. We are saying, as a person, you are not supposed to share a toothbrush. As a person, you're not supposed to share what? A toothbrush. Very good. As a person, you are not supposed to share a nail cutter. As a person, you're not supposed to share a nail cutter. As a person, don't use a handkerchief and give it to another person to use it. As a person who knows what hygiene is, don't use a handkerchief and give it to another person to use it. As a person, don't share the hair comb or the hairbrush. Don't share the hair comb or the hairbrush. As a person, we are being told, don't shower with a sponge and again give it to another person to use it. And we are also saying, as a person, don't share socks. You might be having some feet problems that might spread to other people. And we are also saying, as a person, we don't share our innerwears. There are things that are worn only inside the clothes and they touch the body directly. Name some of the innerwears you're talking about. Why are you laughing? I've not talked about anything. Innerwears is anything you wear inside the cloth. A vest is an innerwear. Do you share vests? Pants are innerwears. What else? What else? Innerwears are things that we wear inside the... Even petticoat is an innerwear. Anything that touches the body directly, it's an innerwear. So some of you are laughing thinking that these are panties. I'm not talking about panties and boxers only. I'm also talking about the vests. I'm also talking about the petticoats. They touch the body directly. And we are also even told, don't share shoes. Do you know that? We are also not supposed to share shoes. For example, your leg is too wide, too big, and someone else wears your shoe. Your leg is too small. When you go and wear those shoes again, you will not be able to walk comfortable in them because they are now wide and baggy. Okay? So we have said we are not supposed to share toothbrush. We are not supposed to share. What else are we not supposed to share? Nail cutter. We are not supposed to share razor blade. There are people who still uses razor blade. So don't ever share razor blades. And we are also being told sometimes we share scissors, which is very wrong, especially scissors that are meant for shaving. Don't share scissors. They can still spread diseases. And you're being told, lastly, do not share towels. Do not share towels. So grade 2's items found in our home. We are talking about common items and personal items. And we are saying personal items, we use them every day to keep healthy. But a rule about them, they cannot be shared. Unlike the common items, personal items cannot be shared. And we are saying if shared, what can happen? They can spread diseases. And that spreading of diseases is not good. That's why we are being told examples of these personal items. We have the toothbrush, the nail cutter, the handkerchief, the hair comb, the sponge, the socks, the innerwears, the razor blade, the scissors, the towels. And I've said when you see the word innerwears or the petticoat, vest, panties, boxers, it means the same thing. Is that okay? Are we together, all of us? Now, when you go home, I want people to go and cut pictures. You will print pictures of the personal items you know. After printing them, you want to stick them in our scrapbook so that tomorrow when you come, I want to see well-stuck pictures. Have you seen mine? Are you seeing mine? The nail cutter is there, the towel is there, the sponge, the handkerchief, the hairbrush, safety pin, the toothbrush. All of them are there. Okay? So, when you go home, that is the work I want you people to do. Print pictures, cut them, and stick them in your books, in your scrap books. So tomorrow when we meet, we will have something to talk about the personal items. Any question? Any problem? It was nice having you around, and I just want to wish you all the best. Thank you.